Good morning everyone and welcome back to Motosoul. Hope you guys are doing well. This is just a quick video on how to install the plastic half chain cover on any RX100, RX135, RXZ and RXG. It's the same for all RX series, and this is a half chain cover of the Yamaha Enticer. I've also made a video on the pros and cons of installing this half chain cover and versus the full metal cover that comes on the RX. You can check that video out, and this is available locally in many cities. If it's not available in your city, you can order it online from our online store Motolegacy Spares. And you need to make two alterations to install this onto your motorcycle. The first one is that you need to shorten it little bit, because the Enticer has a longer swing arm, so this chain cover is slightly longer, so you need to cut it and shorten it. But whenever you're shortening it, just remember you need to follow the same pattern. You need to cut it in a slant manner, and if you're shortening it, just shorten it by half an inch first and then slide it in, and then you can align the rear hole and check if you need to shorten it a little more. And that's the first alteration that you need to do. And the second alteration, you need to drill a new hole. You can just drill with a screwdriver. You don't need a drilling machine or anything. You need to align this hole with this hole here. You need to align the rear hole of the half chain cover, and you do not need to make any alterations here. You just need to shorten it from the front and then drill a new hole here. And you need two screws to install it. The short one is for the front and the longer one is for the rear, along with a nut. The front one doesn't need a nut because it has threads on the swing arm. After shortening the front end of the chain cover, you just need to drill a hole like I said, and then use a screwdriver to align the hole. And on the rear side, you need to hold the nut. This is how you install the half chain cover on any RX. This was just a quick short video on how to install the half chain cover. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want more videos, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Until then, ride hard and ride safe.